lunch here at Lido. So this is mostly the people have lunch. They serve local food. So I ate a fish pancake, and it's like a cabbage roll. And yeah, and then I just take out the cheesecake because I'm already full, so I cannot eat it. And thanks God, it's Christmas. The sun is out. I hope it will the day today will be more than 4 p.m. will not go dark easily. So I'm just going back to the town square, and yeah, I didn't bring bonnet, so I'm keeping my hood on, and I'm wearing a dress because it's Christmas, so it's better to wear a dress. But of course I can't show it off. Okay. Yeah. So now you can see the beautiful Riga, very colorful, and snows everywhere. Yeah. So we're going to walk on that square again. I saw some souvenir shop. I'll check what I can buy besides the fridge magnet I'm giving away to my friends. Yeah. So I joined the walking tour. It's a free walking tour, but of course at the end you have to give a tip. So I give a 10 euro tip. It's like a 2 hour and just hearing the history. And though I didn't do it in Tallinn because Tallinn was like snowy so hard, and then in Helsinki I was able to visit the places. But actually it's different when you're joining a free walking tour. At least you hear the history, and then but then of course when in Helsinki I was a bit lazy actually. I just wanted to sleep, but I think yeah, and then I think I developed a stiff neck from the hotel in Tallinn because the pillow was so small. And yeah, but I think it's a good. So behind me, yeah, it's all white, and you can see there's a Costa Coffee there. Costa Coffee. Nervicine is like this convenience store to them. Then I think I usually like the Remy. See, the sun is out! Amazingly, thank you Lord. Christmas indeed. So yeah, and I didn't bring shades. It's okay, it's not harsh. Not unlike when the heat in Dubai. So it's just like reflecting. So I think if I found a bonnet, a Benny, just like 5 euro, I'll buy it. Because I'm so yeah. I didn't check my braces if some food on it. Okay, again we are here in the town hall square. That is where the parliament, Christmas trees there. Actually I just want to join the next tour, but that is 2 p.m. and then I have to take lunch, so no way that I can join back to back. But I think I had good enough of Riga. Yeah, so I think that's one is the pretty one there. So we'll check the souvenir shop. Bye.